Yeah, thank you. Thank you, everybody. Welcome to the International Telecollaboration Project between India and Bangladesh teacher. Uh, First, I would like to introduce myself. This is Ibnul Hasan Tushar, Assistant Teacher English, Kishorganj, Nilphamari, Rangpur, Bangladesh. Okay, then here the team, my fellow teacher and the member of team. First Vishali Bharma ma'am, then Kunda Bachcha ma'am, Husnaira Khatun ma'am, Rupa Molli ma'am, and last it's me, Ibnul Hasan Tushar. Okay, today I'm going to discuss about the session number 9 or ninth session. It's related to the quality education SDG number 4, and our today's topic is festivals and quality education in our region. Okay, uh, I am discuss I am discuss about it. Uh, Here there are many festivals in Bangladesh, as there are days in the year. You know, fairs and festivals play an important role in the social life of ordinary Bangladeshis. With the ordinary Bangladeshis, it has a important role in our life. You know, okay, the biggest Muslim religious, Bangladesh is a Muslim country, so the biggest Muslim religious festivals are the Eid ul Fitr, that held at the end of the fasting month of Ramadan. Then Idul Azha, Muharram, and Miladun Nabi. It's held at the birthday of the Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Okay, widely celebrated festivals for our other religious communities are the Durga Puja for the Hindus. Here many people are Hindus live here. Then Christmas uh, for Christians, and Buddha Purnima for the Buddhist. Bangla New Year's Day, that means Pohela Boishak. All the people of every religion, we organize the day that names Pohela Boishak. It organized in the first day of Bangla New Year. Then Shohid Divas, Language Martyrs Day. We the Bangladeshi people sacrifice our life for our mother tongue, Bangla, and it held, and yeah, and the it recognized worldly, that names International Mother Language Day, and it celebrate worldly in this day. Then Independence Day, March 6, 26, and Victory Day, December 16, are celebrated nationwide. Besides this,
Tushar,
yes, yes, yes.
Tushar, sorry for disturbing you.
Okay,
One
okay,
of my student is going to join our meeting. Your host, please get her in. Huh?
okay. Yes, yes, yes. I
Uh,
admit the Hosniara ma'am already.
okay, okay.
Okay. Beside these religious and national festivals, villages and townships, professional groups, cultural organizations arrange their own festivals. Then you can see some picture of mine. This is my son, and this is my new foe here. And I take the photo in the Eid day. Here, this is our religious festivals days that you can see in the screen. Okay, this is the day Eid ul Fitr day, and the biggest Muslim festival. Eid ul Fitr is observed throughout the world. The It falls on the following day of Ramadan, or the month of fasting. Okay, then you can Shitul. Okay, I admit her. Okay, then Eid ul Adha. Eid ul Adha is the second biggest festival of the Muslims. It marks the Hajj in Makkah on the 10th of the Zilhas, the lunar month. Lars Eid, uh, congregations are held in mosques and public prayer grounds. Okay, Idul Adha, it is the second biggest festival of the Muslims. Here sacrifice the animal. This is the picture of I take the Idul Adha. Okay, Muharram, the biggest Muslim festival. Idul Fitr is observed throughout the world. It falls on the following day of Ramadan on the month of fasting. Okay, this is the another religious festival of Muslims in Bangladesh. It is not the religious festival. It is the festivals of Bengali people. That's name Pohela Boishakh. Bengali New Year days is colorful. You can see some picture here, and so well decorated and the colorful colorful event in the cities and villages throughout the country. The day 14 April is a public holiday. The most attractive event in Dhaka um, that spreads throughout the day takes places at Ramana Park. Students of the Fine Art of Dhaka University, the biggest university of Bangladesh, organize colorful pageant where paper made animals and marks figures prominently. Okay, then Independence Day. You can see some picture here. This is the picture of Independence Day of Bangladesh, the biggest state festival. The Independence Day, March 26, is observed throughout the country. All major cities wear a festive look. It is a public holiday. The citizens of Dhaka wake up early in the morning to the sound of bombing guns heralding the day. Then 21st February, World Mother Language Day. Internet actually its name International Mother Language Day. It already or recognized worldly, and it celebrate throughout all over the world actually. 21st February of year every year is observed throughout the country in remembrance of the martyrs of language movement of 1952. World has said on this day at the Central Shoaib Minar area to establish Bangla as a state language of Pakistan. Then Christmas known as Baradin or the Borodin actually, or the big day in Bangla is celebrated with festivals in Dhaka, elsewhere in the country. Several day-long congregations are held at Santa Mariam's Cathedral at Ramna. Okay, Christmas is the festival, religion festival of the Christian, and it also celebrate here in Bangladesh. And I think this is so much familiar picture to all of you. It's named Durga Puja. Here, with the Bangladeshi are celebrate this religious festival also, and we have many Hindu friends, and we also visit in this program. Actually, Durga Puja, the biggest festival of Hindu community in the country, continues for 10 days, with the last 3 days beginning the most joyful. The festivals, okay, festivals culminate with the idol of goddess Durga immersed in the river. In Dhaka, the big celebrations are held at Dhakeshwari Temple. Actually, Bangladesh, in Bangladesh, Dhakeshwari Temple is the famous temple in Bangladesh. So here is also held, and at the Ramkrishna Mission. Okay, now I want to discuss about the quality education, and to I want to discuss today about these topics. That means midday meal, free textbooks, free uniform, free cycles, free bus facilities, etc. You can see a picture here. This is the Education Ministry of Bangladesh, Dipu Mani, respected Dipu Mani. She also take midday meal with the students. You can see the picture. The cabinet today approve. Okay, school meal policy 2019. Here, the government try to give the midday meal in every school of Bangladesh. Here, you can see the picture. Okay, then these books are provided for free to all school going children of Bangladesh. Okay, here class grade on to grade 10, the government take the textbook free, and you can see the picture also. And that's all of for today, and my discussion. Thank you, give me the time and give me the facilities, respected Kunda ma'am, Vishali Verma ma'am, and all of you. Thank you so much for your precious time. Thanks all.
Very nice presentation, Mr. Tushar sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
We got so much things about your country, about your festivals, which are unknown for us. Someone are unknown for us, someone known for us.
Yes,
Very nice festivals, and thank you
yes.
for your nice PPT presentation. Thank you so much. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Please make to Vaishali host.
Okay, just a minute.
My one of my student is also joined here, Sheetal.
Yes,
Sheetal
yes.
beta, will you please introduce yourself? तुझी माय हे दे फक्त तुझी ओळख सांग सगळ्यांना. ओके.
Okay, Bhashali ma'am, you are already. Yes. What's your
Okay.
name?
My name is Shital Vishnu Thakre.
Sheetal, welcome to our session. You know, it's the session that this session name is India Bangladesh Telecollaboration Project, and it's me Ibnul Hasan Tushar from Bangladesh. I welcome you in our session. Where are you from, Sheetal? What's your region name? Sheetal,
शीतल
what's your
शीतल ऐकू येते का?
ते त्यांचा आवाज नाही
What's
आला.
your what? हा, what's your place name? What's your country name? तू कुठे राहते काय ते सांग सगळं त्यांना. तुझं स्कूल,
My
what is your
country name
school
is
name?
India.
yes.
हा.
My country name
And-
is India. My school name is NMC School number 18 Anand Gully, Nashik, Maharashtra, India.
Okay, thank you, Sheetal.
Okay. Very nice beta, huh?
Kunda ma'am, carry on.
Yes. वैशू.
हो. मी आता शेअर
हा.
करते PPT. Now I am going to share PPT.
मोबाईल वरून करते का वैशू?
हो, मोबाईल वरूनच. अगं ते माझा लॅपटॉप पोरीकडे आहे.
अरे मी तर केलं असतं मला लॅपटॉप वरून. ठीक आहे, चल.
हा.
उद्याचं मी
करते का
करून
मग? करते
हो,
का?
आता जाऊ दे, आता कंटिन्यू करते मी. ओके.
बरं, चालेल.
ओके. मी घेते आता हे 2-3 स्लाइड नंतर तुम्ही. हा.
हो,
Okay,
चालेल.
hello everyone. Welcome in our project telecollaboration between India and Bangladesh. Today is our session number 9, and the topic of our session is quality education and festivals from our country. Please next. As we all you all knows from our India, Diwali is the biggest and very favorite festival of from our India. It is a festival of lightning, we said, and we worship on that day Lord Lakshmi, and making lightning to everywhere. The role of this diya is means make a brightness in our future, and uh, in our future, and also making a brightness in others futures. Forget the sorrow, and always be happy in your life. This is the main reason of lighting these diyas, and we call it panti, lantern, and we worship the Lord Lakshmi on that day, because Lakshmi has a main role in our life also, as a like a Saraswati. Lakshmi has also a main role for her, and so we worship that day on Diwali. We meet each other, goes to each other's home and give them sweets, and give them hug with love. This is the festival to forget our sorrows, and making happiness in everyone's life. So Diwali is a main festival from India. Why should next?
दिसते का ग व्यवस्थित PPT?
Yes. The second main festival, Holi. Tushar, do you know Holi? Rango ki Barat.
Yes, I know.
This is a free for all festivals of colors where people smear each other with colors and dance each other. This is also a festival to spread the happiness in our life and forget all things, enemies or all bad things from our life and meet each other with happiness and love. So this is the रंगों का त्योहार ऐसे हम कहते हैं होली को. This is also very favorite and well known festival from India. Next, Vaishu. Yes, Eid is also very good known and favorite festival from India because there are so many Muslim Bandhavas are living in India, and this is India is a country having the multicultural people in our India. So everyone is our sister and brother. We I say so. Everyone's festival we are celebrating with each other. As no, this is your festival, this is our festival, so we can't celebrate. This is not a type of India here. We celebrate each and everyone festival with happily and sharing our feelings with each other with these festivals. The literal meaning of Eid ul Fitr is the festival of breaking the fast, and since Muslims observe a long fast called Ramadan, starting from dawn to dusk for a month, and Eid is a celebration of the end of Ramzan. Next, Vaishu. Navratri. This is also, as I said, that everyone Gujarati bhaiyas celebration, but we are all people are celebrating all festivals. Navratri is very famous and full share. Navratri also spelled Navratri, also called Durga Puja, as you shared, Tushar. Durga Puja. We have a Durga Puja here, and we call that 9 days Navratri, and we place dandiya that time, and it is a very enjoyable festival for us. We always waiting for Navratri from whole year. Navratri is a very biggest festival from our Maharashtra, and it is from also Gujarati. Vaishu. Ha, Raksha Bandhan. This is a. Do you know Raksha Bandhan? This is a festival of Bhai Behan.
Yes, yes. I know.
And we are. This is a festival to show your promise. What are you promised to your sister or promise to your brother? We have to show that love on that day, and it makes us making a biggest feelings in our life. And we can't. I don't have words to explain that Raksha Bandhan. It is a feeling festival for us, celebrated on the full moon day of Hindu months of Shravan. And this festival celebrates the love of brother and sister. On this day, sister tie Rakhi on the wrist of their brother to protect them against evil influences and pray for their long life and happiness. Next, Vaishu. This is our national festival, Republic Day. And 26 January, we are celebrating our Republic Day. Whole India celebrates this festival. Because it is a national festival it was a day in the history in 1965 when Hindi was declared as an official language of India. Next, Vaishu. And Independence Day is the second one biggest national festival of India. Marks the end of British rule in 1947 and the establishment of a free and independent Indian nation. And it also marks the anniversary of partition of the subcontinent into the two countries, India and Pakistan, which occurred at the midnight on August 14 and 15, 1947. Next question. As I said, that Christmas is a main festival from Christian Bandhav. As we celebrating the festival from Muslim Bandhav, Christian Bandhav, Guru Nanak, all festivals we are celebrating with each other and with love. This is the Christmas we are celebrating on 25 December. Next, Vaishu. Ganesh Chaturthi is a main festival for 10 days long Hindu festival held on birthday of the Lord Ganesha. He is the son of Shiva and Parvati. And this, for example, in 2020, it was celebrated on August 20th. This is the worship of God Ganesh and we are celebrating it for 10 days. Question next. Buddha Purnima.
Yes.
It is a, we can call also Vaishaki Purnima. Purnima means full moon day in Sanskrit. Buddha Purnima is the biggest day for Buddhists because on this day it is a believed three important events of the Buddha's life took place: his birth, his attaining and enlightenment, and his death. This day is known as the thrice blessed festival Buddha Purnima. Next, Vaishu. Okay.
त्याच्यानंतर quality education.
Okay. As we say that India is a bunch of festivals. As you look, Tushar, what about you saying bunch of festivals, and we are celebrating full India, all festivals from all people and from all societies. And so in every month, I think in every month we have a festival, and in every month we are celebrating that festivals with enjoy and happiness.
Here
Okay,
also,
our next
here Bangladesh also like in your country. Here actually Hindu and Muslim are the main religion in Bangladesh. But in your country, I think Hindu, Muslim, Christian, or Buddhism. There are so many people live here in your country, but Bangladesh only Hindu and Muslim, and Christian and Buddhism are only few people in our country. Okay, very nice
we have
presentation, Kunda ma'am. Thank you very much, and I receive mass knowledge from your PPT. Okay, thank you.
okay. I have only few topics for a
Kunda
quality
ma'am,
education.
thank you.
Snera, hi, hi.
As
We have less
I
time,
have
10
ma'am,
minutes.
the Kunda festival presentation has been very nice, and I like it very much. In a word, nice presentation. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Vaishali ma'am.
Tushar, we
Yes.
have
Okay.
Yes.
please, we have only 9 minutes, and we have quality education discussion for 3 or 2 slides maybe. Vaishali, मैं करूँ का continue तू करते quality
नाही, कर
education?
कंटिन्यू कर
Okay,
वाटलंस,
continue,
करू दे
please.
continue.
Okay. Today's our second topic is quality education. We are talking from last session also on this topic, is because it is a very important for each and every country quality education. The next topic of our quality education is midday meal. As we know, this is a government policy of midday meal for students to bring more students in our school, and in a government school there are students belongs to a family, they don't have good proper food in that their home, and so this is the responsibility taken by government, giving them midday meal. In each government school we are providing them a very good midday meal with proteinable food. Okay. Free textbooks. This is also taken responsibility taken by government. In government school, they from first to 8, government provides us the students free textbooks for their better learning, and for the help of their family, because they don't have so money to bring that books, and so because of this their education not should not be stopped. So government providing them free textbooks also. Next, Vaishu. And from some back years, we are looking the QR code in textbook, because in COVID period, students are at home, and they should continue their education at home also. So this is a QR code. We discussed on this topic in last session more. So we are going next session. Sorry, next slide. Okay, free uniform. This is also for government school, from first to 8th school students. We are government providing free uniform. As I said, that students don't have that uh, money, or their parents are not from what I can say, from the rich family. So that students get the free uniform for government. This is free cycling. I think for some students who are so long staying so long from school, or good in education, they and from backward class. For some students, government provide the free cycles this, and this facility is not for all students. Free bus facility, I think I don't know for whole India, but I know for Maharashtra, for girl students, government providing this facility, free bus facility for their better education and for their schooling. Okay, PDF of all textbook from this year. Students are doing their study on a laptop or a mobile, not laptop, I think, and on Android mobile. And so we can't give them proper books to their home for a safety. So government or we teachers are providing them PDF of all textbook as they can use from their Android mobile, and they can continue their study. This is also for those schools are closed, but their education should not be closed. So this facility we are providing them. This is a part of quality education. How can per teacher reach to per students, and those schools are closed, those there are a big pandemic we are facing, but their education are still going on because lack of education, every problems they can share face. So this is the many things government providing us to reach the each and everyone students and giving them quality education, and we teachers also doing our best and giving our efforts to reach each and everyone student. Thank you so much for giving your time and looking my PPT presentation. Thank you everyone.
Thank you very much, Kunda ma'am. We here in Bangladesh also government provide the PPT. Sometimes some organization gives a cycle to the students. Midday meal here the in the primary school government provide the biscuits. Midday meal is not midday meal. They want to continue here, but it is not available nowadays. And today in the uh, COVID-19 period, we take the online classes. Here government ordered all of the schools teacher take the online classes through their school pages and online schools. And nowadays we take some interactive classes through Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Team, by this media. By this way, we try to ensure the quality education in the COVID-19 period. Thank you so much, Kunda ma'am. We actually really we receive many knowledge from your PPT. Thank you all. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. I think today's session is very nice. We got so much knowledge and everything about festival and quality education from each other. So very nice we are doing. We will conduct our next session tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
शीतल, तुला कसं वाटलं बेटा? शीतल,
खूप छान वाटलं टीचर.
ओके. बघ, इंडिया आणि बांगलादेश यांच्याविषयी आपण एकमेकांविषयी आपण त्यांना आपलं सांगतोय, आपल्या देशात काय चालतं, ते आपल्याला त्यांच्या देशातलं सांगतात. ओके, असा हा प्रोग्राम आहे. तुला जसं जसं जॉईन होता आला तसं तसं होत जा. ओके. Hosnera, how are you now? Hosnera?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tomorrow
Fine.
also we have
So,
our next session.
Ma'am, share please the midday meal, bicycle distribution, dress distribution, uniform distribution among the students. This system is a very good initiative. It's in my school. We are continuing our online classes every day at this time. Okay, that's fine. Thank you.
Okay, thank you
very
so much everyone. Take care of yourself. Hosnera and Tushar, please discuss for tomorrow's session. We will make the PPT.
Okay. I already make the PPT and I am ready to for the next session. Thank you very much. Goodbye.
Okay,
Good night.
thank you everyone. Bye. Good
Bye-bye.
night. Take care. Stay
Bye-bye.
home. Stay safe. Okay. Bye.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.